All right, so here's a Dyebold app, and if you want to use the photo capabilities, we have the CMYK version 2.0, and so you just select that, and you can actually click on the target box, click on choose files, and you can take a picture of the carpet. And let's suppose that our carpet is supposed to be the darker blue, but now it's faded to a lighter blue, so I select use photo, and then I'm going to click here on the darker blue, which I can see here on the preview. I simply click on the screen and select the color, and that's my darker blue, and I can go up here to target and I can see that the color was changed. And now I click on current and I select the lighter blue, which is that, and you can see here the current now has the lighter blue, and I can click on the equal solution, and now it gives me the solution 50, 44, and 38, which is the amount of blue, red, and yellow that you should be adding to the faded current in order to bring it to the target. However, this is not going to translate into an accurate amount of blue, red, and yellow, because these colors, the cyan, magenta, and yellow, do not equal the color of the Dyebold dyes, which is actually the same shortcoming that the competitor's app claims to or has. And the competitor's app actually claims to tell you exactly which color are missing, which is correct. However, the colors that the app tells you does not translate to the actual color of the liquid dyes, because the liquid dyes of the blue, for instance, does not look like the cyan in the app. And so I'm not sure if that makes sense to you, but for this reason, we actually use the blue, red, and yellow. And this is the newest app that we actually have it calibrated to the Dyebold dyes. And so when you use that, I actually have removed the photo capabilities of the app so that you are forced to learn how to make a beige and how to match the color of the carpet you're working in, so that if you only learn to rely on a photo of the carpet, if the color is actually off, you can really screw up your job. And so by actually being forced to learn how to move the sliders, that actually makes you a much better colorist. And so that is why currently we do not have a photo function here on the BRY, because it was leading to inaccurate results, and therefore instead of helping the colorist, it was actually harming. And so for now, until we can figure out this technological limitation, this is the best for my colorist, and that's what we have. Hope this helps.